Handheld laser welding machine. Connect the wire to your power supply, LELRL3, 220V3, pH 60Hz. Open the air switch. Connect the wire feeder to your socket. Add the water to the chiller as the instruction. Open the max button, light on. All components are famous brand with high stability. Welding cleaning machine. Add a weight filter. It can reduce power interference and make the wobble motor of the laser gun more stable. 90%. Manufacturers don't have this. Open emergency button, chiller, laser, power. When we use welding system, the wire feeder thickness below 1.6 毫米. The welding width suggests to 2到3 毫米. The thinner the weld wire, the lower the scanning width. The thicker the plate, the thicker the welding wire, the greater the power and the slower the wire feeding speed. The lower the power, the whiter the welding surface. The greater the power. The weld seam will change from color to black. And the single-sided form will be formed at this time. Change to laser cutting model. Use a cutting copper nozzle. We recommend that copper nozzle 1.5 or more is enough. Set the scan width to 0. Duty cycle, reference data is 100. Be sure to make sure that the red light comes out of the center of the copper spout completely, otherwise it may burn the brass spout. If there is a requirement for the cutting surface, it is recommended to use nitrogen gas, which means to compare with the cutting surface, it will be whitish relatively, hence speed is maintained evenly when cutting. Weld joint cleaning. The power is changed to 100 watt. The nozzle is replaced with a suitable nozzle. In the welding mode, work along the weld. You can complete the weld cleaning. Change to laser cleaning model. Through the toggle button in the upper right corner of the home page, you can switch the program, break and restart, which can make choices according to the lens used in the corresponding selection in the setting. After changing the cleaning mode, restart the laser source. Replace the suitable focusing mirror. You can directly use the focusing lens of the welded F150, cleaning width is 30 毫米, or replace the cleaning F400, focusing lens cleaning width is 40 毫米到60毫米. We send you an extra lens F800, cleaning width is 120毫米. Remove the locking part in front of the gun head. Install the cleaning cover. Adjust the scanning distance so that the focus is cleaned correctly when the spark is at its highest and strongest.